It's just a 45 minutes flight, and I can show you what I have in my bag. We have here a little earphone if I need it, but I may not even be bored because it's just a short flight. I made a little bit of a sweet potato. Doesn't look appetizing here, but it's great. It's full of fiber. Hot water bottle. Thermos. This is a must because I drink warm water only. And a book. I had this book since, trust me, year 2018, and I've not read it. And of course, here's my bag. Okay, so you can hear it's pretty noisy. I'm getting up for boarding. Smaller guys can fit under. Ya ke? Kenapa kuning tak ada?
Kuning tak ada, jadi itu lampu kuning saya ingat sudah bakar ke apa. Tengok saya pun.
What I'm going to teach is actually a set of classes that would add up to qualify someone for the gyrokinesis teacher training. So in the gyro world, I am a pre-trainer, which means I'm qualified to teach part 1 of the teacher training for now. And from here, I will actually link all the different principles of movements, the gyro way together, giving aspiring trainers a taste of what gyro is like. I have shared snippets of it in my playlist, Gyrokinesis GYROTONIC playlist. Welcome to check it out. The link in the description box below. And any questions, if you're curious about the method, you can always ask me. My aspiration is to teach this in different parts of Malaysia, where I'm living right now, to teach it regionally across different parts of Asia. And of course, there are other gyro teachers in different parts of Asia and different parts of the world. That's all good. Ultimately, I think different gyro teachers bring to table his or her own style. That is our own flavor, our own take of the method, how we convey it, and most of all, actually the energy we bring to it. I personally believe in the gyro method a lot because, when you wake up first thing in the morning, you feel very tight. It's not just about stretch that will help you get started for the day. You actually need to release a lot of tightness, and I always say this, hidden in the nooks and crannies of your rib cage and your spine, as well as your pelvis and hip joint. Gyrokinesis or gyrotonic, but in my case, I'm a pre-trainer for gyrokinesis, is the holistic method that brings together the synchronicity of these different parts, and you will feel it most obvious in your spine. 那挺好的呀。
要拍给谁看？
我的 YouTube，
妈妈
我的 YouTube。Everybody, this is Grace 。
来拿上来。很好。Okay.
Didn't sleep so well last night. My room faces the main road, and it's a Saturday night, so lots of people driving by and some showing off their sports cars, their loud Ferrari engine. Yeah, hardly had like 3 hours sleep. I think that's one of the uncertain things about running training in an unfamiliar surrounding, whether it's a new country or a new city. You got to find a hotel that's satisfactory in terms of location, in terms of budget, even in terms of the quality of the bed. But this time I overlooked the potential noise. And this hotel, it's mid-range, but you know what? The soundproof quality is pretty bad. Or maybe there are just too many people driving the sports cars around this part of the road last night or this morning. Yeah, didn't sleep too well. I want to talk a little bit about last evening's workshop. It went really well. So I started with breathing because it's something more harmonious to the body. It's a good orientation to the gyrokinesis method. But it also allows embodiment from the inside out, which is what I love. So yes, so it was very smooth, and the participants were able to feel how gyro would work in the body, which is mission accomplished. Day 2, morning session. OK， 但是为什么你的手肘一定要这样啊？看我有一条线，肘弯曲弯曲。Yes, nice. Four more. 悠闲的搭。And you exhale. 关腿，关腿，关腿。对 ，scooping up， 开腿。再来 ，push your rotation arm. Nice. And one. Good. 还没收起来，是不是？Frontal range. That's it. OK. 所以的话，脖子紧，你这个 three, two, 下。这个就是 scooping 这里，所以我们要一定要做到 scooping and set up。So I finished 3 full workshops over 1.5 days, and they all went really, really well. I'm so pleased with that. I'm leaving today, and you can see I feel so refreshed and happy, very accomplished, and very satisfied and happy. I'm going up to have my last meal here in Johor Bahru, meeting up with the studio owner whom I'm collaborating with for this workshop and also future workshops for 2026. It's a very good start and a very, very promising journey ahead. Baby Ria, hello sweetheart, baby girl, hello sweetheart. Hey, yeah, giving me your belly. I miss you too. Love you. That is all for this travel and teach video, Johor Bahru, and I'll be back next time, maybe to Johor Bahru again. In any case, stay tuned, I'll keep you posted, and do check out my videos in Mobility Everyday playlist. I have lots of mobility repertoire that is gyrokinesis inspired or Qigong inspired. In any case, I've tried it all on myself and on my clients. The movements may seem small, but they are not small at all, because small movements bring big changes. Do try it out. Any question, leave me a comment in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. Hence, like and subscribe. Remember, keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We are born to move, and I'm going to keep telling you to move. Take care. Have a lovely day.